Everybody wants to get a great price for TV, but are you really getting a good deal? I'm going door to door to let everyone know how much money they can save with Dish.
Don't panic, but you're paying too much for TV.
Yes, you are. Movie guy?
Love movies.
We like mysteries,
Sports, all sports.
Get all your favorite channels for less.
Have you heard the news? DirecTV raised their rates again. Dish hasn't. That's right. Dish still has packages starting at $19.99 a month for a full year.
Who is your current provider?
DirecTV.
Oh,
Cable's just way expensive.
about your bill. It's too high.
Way too high.
Ah, this is what Dish is going to save you your first year.
Wow.
Plus, enjoy HBO, Cinemax, Showtime, and Stars free for 3 months. And get Blockbuster at home with unlimited access to over 100,000 movies, games, and TV shows. Call right now to get the Hopper, the new whole home HD DVR for free.
They got a lot of freebies in there.
I like this.
No brainer on
Come
that.
on, man.
Let's watch TV.
I will.